Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how and where to get the STEPN activation code for free. When you try to log in, after the CAPTCHA, get to the point where you need to enter the activation code. Where do we get this code? I will leave a link in the description. Download the archive and extract it. You can see the password on the screen. After that, just launch the application. Go through the CAPTCHA again, and you will receive the coveted code. Copy it and paste it. Done.